Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to talk to you about our iPad screen repair here. So this is an iPad 6. It came in with a cracked screen, and I replaced it. We can do these both at Helper Tech Burnsville and also at our Helper Tech Eagan store that is now servicing the Mendota Heights area. It is located off of Cliff Road and 35E. So with iPad repairs, they generally do take about a day to do just because of the adhesive that you can kind of see on the back of the screen here. That all those pull tabs get taken off, and then it gets put down with clamps to help the adhesive set. That usually takes a couple of hours. Not to mention I got to use a heat gun to peel up the screen itself. Now for an iPad 6, I can replace the screen on these for $169. Price does vary depending on what kind of model. You know, if you've got an iPad that is older than a 6, it's going to be a little less. If you've got one of the newer Pros, it's going to be a little more. But we can replace the screens, we can replace the charge ports, batteries, any of that stuff. You don't need an appointment, you can just stop out. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. And once again, you can either go to our Helper Tech Eagan or our Helper Tech Burnsville store to get that done. No appointment needed. Just stop out whenever it's convenient. We're here until 6 o'clock during the week and Saturdays 10 to 3. You guys have a nice day.